Nasty, clogged, and overflowing urinals are not appealing in any restroom, frustrating customers and maintenance staff alike. Keep watching for a potential solution. Today, let's talk about Asol, a chemical designed for urinals that gets rid of buildup and keeps drain lines clear. Let's start with the basics. What is Asol? Asalt is a chemical that targets buildup in urinals, cutting through uric salt, calcium, and lime that accumulates in urinals over time. It's composed of urea hydrochloride, an organic salt that acts like a strong acid and is more effective and faster than phosphoric acid products. This chemical reduces odors that come with buildup and can even clear rust. It's got a wintergreen scent, which will replace bad smells that come from buildup. Lastly, you'll want to know that it's phosphate-free and it's VOC compliant. Who is Asalt a good fit for? Asalt is a good fit for those with urinals in commercial facilities. It will certainly solve blockage issues and free up time for other things for maintenance staff. But if you're concerned about pouring a strong chemical in your urinal, look at the label. It's non-damaging to porcelain and drain lines. Overall, the answer here is simple. It's a good fit for commercial buildings with porcelain urinals. Who is Asalt not a good fit for? If the area you are treating contains galvanized steel, chrome, and aluminum surfaces, this may not be the product for you, as using urea hydrochloride requires extreme caution and could be corrosive. When and why do I need Asalt? Asalt works quickly and effectively to clear out uric salt in urinals that have accumulated even substantial buildup. But it's always a good idea to start maintenance early to ensure more expensive problems like completely replacing your drain line don't occur later. Why do I need a urinal drain cleaner? The answer is simple. With use, unwanted buildup is unavoidable, and nobody wants to use or even look at urinals that have not been properly maintained. How do I use Asalt? For best results, Asalt can be used on urinals when use is limited, such as after business hours. But it won't cause any odor or fumes when working. Be sure to wear the proper PPE as stated on the label. Turn off automatic flushing and treat each urinal with 8 ounces of Asalt and let it sit overnight. You might have to use it more frequently if you've got a lot of buildup or a lot of use. For waterless urinals, let 8 ounces sit overnight, then thoroughly rinse product through. Be sure to remove the cartridge before applying. How much does Asalt cost? Asalt cost can vary depending on a multitude of factors, including location, but it will most likely cost you this amount per usage for typical commercial facilities. When considering cost of drain care chemicals, it's always important to weigh the cost against extreme options like dismantling the entire drain line if you have severe problems down the line. How do I buy Asalt? Purchasing Asalt is easy. Simply visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in contact with a representative. All drains are different, and the easiest way to find out if Asalt is the right solution for your urinals will be a facility survey by an experienced representative to ensure that you get the solution that you need. For more information on how to keep your workplace clean, subscribe to State Industrial Products, and soon enough, you'll be flushing your cleanliness issues down the drain.